solution to each flask.
Okay, so very good. So safe kay naagibutang iyang ano, iyang chemical name. Okay. So will add 10 ml of 0.05 molar. Okay, so let's check class na ano siya, indicate niya it's 0.05 ihang molar ang concentration. So it's correct. Okay, correct na ni, given na ni. Because sometimes class in your analytical chemistry, you will not be given gipangay ana sa procedure 0.05 molar. And then ang gihatag sa maestra ninyo is ano ra 10 molar. 10 molar sodium thiosulfate na mawerla na pud kaon sa manimam dili manimao. Concentrated kayo ang naana ko niya akong dapat dilute ra ako ang kinahanglanon. But don't worry kay sa analytical chem tuluan man mo unsaon pag-prepare, unsaon pagpahimo ninyong 0.05 molar. So here, okay, everything is given na. Now we have that one. Okay, let's add pila ka ml? 10
0.05.
ml. Okay, 10 ml. So, after that, okay, after that one, apa makita?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, then we will put it in our flask. Then we will record. Okay, 10 ml. Okay, so after that one, procedure, unsa na ta? Procedure? Okay, Tilos. Procedure 7.
7.
Okay, Tilos. You read. Add.
Add 5 ml of 3% sa H2 water na siya, ma'am, solution.
Na may number 2 diri sa ubos. For sure, di na ni water. Water is H2O.
Hydrogen peroxide.
Okay. Hydrogen peroxide.
Hydrogen peroxide solution to flask A and start the stop watch immediately.
Okay, so we will add 5 ml of 3%. Okay, 5 ml. Asa man atong 5 ml H2O2? Ay, atong 3% H2O2. Kita
Nasa
niyo
right side,
ba?
ma'am. Right side, ma'am. Sa pinakakilid, ma'am.
Ah, yes. Here. So, 3% na H2O2, no? Sakto na yung concentration?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
3%.
ma'am. Given na.
Okay, 10 ml. All right, now let's add that one here. Wait, okay. Then, after that one, we stir. Then, nag-time na siya, class. Okay, so here, class, you take note. Okay. So, ato sa isulat, 10 ml H2O2. Then, also, okay, we have Alayaay, Bibilav, read procedure 8 and 9.
So procedure 8, stir the mixture using a glass rod and wait for the blue color to appear.
Okay, we have done this class, no? Gate, stir na niya. Then we have procedure 9.
Procedure 9, note the time when the blue color just appears.
Okay, so note the time. All right. So, class, nag-time na siya. So, we will wait. Okay, mag-appear daw ihang blue color. So, again, class, what makes it blue? What makes it blue? Unsa may makapabluan niya, class? We have Angel, Lumawan. Lumawan, no? Angel. Okay, Lumawan, what makes it blue? Sa may ano maka-blue man siya? Class, gasugod na ang time, no? Wait mag-share sa ako ha. Sige, unsa man makapa-blue sa iya ha?
Sa di makapablo, no?
Yung mata blue.
Starch, ang starch.
Cornstarch.
Oh, ang starch.
Okay, so Angel, lumawan. Wala si Kon. Okay, we have Sangrenes. Kita pa,
Ma'am,
class?
wala ma'am.
Yun, ma'am.
Screen na lang siya, ma'am.
Oh, sige, sige. Wait, sa basi ni Blue na to. Wait, sa... Hala, chart. Lobat ako. Okay, so, ano na. Right. Ni Blue na pa.
Wala pa, ma'am. Wala pa, ma'am.
Sige ha, mag-charge ako.
Pink pink na.
Nag-aso na siya, nag-aso.
Really, Jude? Dagaso?
Bantay mo, mabutan mo.
Imagination na niya, ma'am.
Mostly mangod sa laboratory na nang murag mga mag-assist.
Yes. Okay, that's it. Na-should na siya, because aso, evolution of bubbles is one indicator that the reaction has occurred. Nga naay nahitabo na reaction when there is an evolution of bubbles. Okay, mag-aso, bukal or sa.
Wala na yung irog ang time, ma'am.
Ning stop na siya. Wala ning iro.
Balik ko. O,
Wala
kana.
pa na siya.
Alright.
Na to.
Nibalik ko siya. Di mo inigmato day ka sa isa ka tab, muhunong siya. Okay, dapat na should kasi focus lang.
Consistent niya ba?
Oh, dapat consistent. Okay, so we have that one. Lugaya pud class oy. Siya sakto jud to ating ipambuhat.
1 hour pa daw, ma'am.
Ha?
3 minute kapin mangguro jud na
1
siya.
hour pa daw, ma'am.
1 hour pa. Mauro
Dili,
to
ma'am,
time.
3 minutes na kapin, ma'am.
3 minutes and
Ah.
43 seconds.
Ako na ko na, ma'am. 3 minutes na kapin.
Sige,
Sana
sige.
ang
Okay. Alright. So again, katong mubukal on sa to mo aso. Mao na no, clear Claire mostly mo aso daw ang laboratory una kay mo reaction. One it's an indication evolution of gases is an indication that there is a reaction.
in blue.
Wow.
Wow.
Yes. Right. So, now let's take note the time. The time is
3, 4,
3 for 43 minutes per second
sige. 3 minutes
and 43
and
seconds.
43 seconds.
43 seconds.
Excuse me, ma'am. Dili 5 ml ng hydrogen peroxide?
Hydrogen peroxide.
Oo, 5 ml ang na.
Oh, 5. Okay, 5. Sige, 5 di ay nasayop ko. Okay, class, na ba ni sa inyong buhaton nun? Nagsulat-sulat
Yes,
lang
ma'am.
ko. Take note ha. Okay. So, again, balik ta. We are nanatay blue color. It means that there's a reaction na nahitabo that occurred. So, atong gingon ni clear na mostly it has bubbles, it moaso siya. But here, we are kanang change of color, change of color, change of kining smell, change kanay smell is na sila then pod kaning when you see light, when there's a light, so change of color, change of smell, evolution of gases, they are the indicators that there's a reaction that occurred. So here, the indicator that there's a reaction that has occurred is our change of colors. Dili siya
White man na, ma'am.
lotion of gases. Okay. Ha? Unsa, Adrian?
Wa ko'y makita. Puti.
Na be patient na mo class. Okay, so we have that one. No, at least natin makita gali ani. Okay, we have, all right now. So this is our flask A. This is our flask A. Now, it has occurred class na blue siya because of the reaction of
Iodine and starch.
Iodine and
okay,
starch.
the reaction of our iodine and our starch na it will form a blue complex. Okay, so it's because of our iodine and starch reaction. But class, again, class, no, we have the reaction mechanisms. The reaction mechanisms is your pathway or the elementary steps of your chemical reaction. Now, mostly we are given with ano overall reaction now, we overall reaction. So di natin ginatagaan o kaning behind the scene na mga chemical reactions. So ang ato nakuha ang overall reaction we have here is your I2 and the starch which yields blue color. And of course, there are behind the scenes na mga reactions. Those behind the scenes na reactions are katong ganina. We have the slow step and our fast step, which is for the slow step, we have hydrogen peroxide and with our iodide ion, and which is in acidic medium. So iodide ion here, asa man gikan atong iodide ion class? Asa man gikan atong iodide ion? Unsa tong naay? Nagbutang di tag iodide ion class? Tanaw dito itong mga chemicals.
Potassium iodide ang naa dito.
Okay. Yes, gikan siya sa ato actually sa atong potassium this one. Okay. Gikan siya sa atong Ki, potassium iodide. Now when that dissociates, decompose, mahimo siyang K plus and we have I minus. So that I minus, this I minus actually came from our Ki. And then we have our H plus. Where does our H plus came?
Sa hydrogen peroxide.
Narang hydrogen peroxide.
Ay, naara di ay, sorry.
Unsa pa tong mga solution na itong H? Look.
Water.
Sulfuric acid.
Sulfuric acid.
Okay, actually it came from here. So sulfuric acid. Ngayon di man water atong namin tayo water, di ba? Water is H2O. Water is H2O, but the H plus ion here, class, came from our sulfuric acid. So because we know that it's an acidic medium, so our sulfuric acid is acidic. So our H plus here came from our sulfuric acid. So we have H2SO4 when that dissociates because of some chemicals present. So that will dissociate in H plus ion, and then we have SO4 minus, because this is here an ion, HSO4. This is partial, but when you go farther pa yun, that will become H na pod, H plus, and then we have SO4. Oh God. SO4 minus, or we can have H2O and then we have SO3 minus. So that's dissociation. Later in the next chapter, we will learn that one. So these things, kani mga ato mga ions here. Class, ions when we say ions, it means it's a charged molecule. Charge, positive or negative. Now, kaning I nato di class, is that an ion? Is this an ion, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Charge. What about this one, hydrogen peroxide? Is it an ion?
Dili.
Dili,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am,
it's
dili.
it's neutral, so wala siya charge. Not siya charge but neutral. Same amount of the negative charges and same amount of positive charges. So neutral. Now we also have this one, RH plus. Is it an ion?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
It's
ma'am.
an
Kasi
ion.
ayan.
Now it's if that's the case, if we have a charged molecule, we always after that one we will put ions at the end. So we have this one. We have H, hydrogen ion. We have I, iodide ion. So napod na siya yung naming system. That's one, iodide ion. Okay, you put ions. All right, so these steps, we have the fast, the slow one, and then we have the fast step. So these are the behind the scenes na chemical reactions. Now, this participates in our reaction mechanisms, diba? Reaction mechanisms. Then we have this one, our overall na I2 plus starch, which will yield blue complex. Okay.
Ma'am, ngano ganing na slow na siya nga reaction, ma'am?
It's already indicate na nila class. It's the slow step reaction. And then, mo istorya po niya, it's a fast step reaction. Okay, no? Nice question. Okay, but i-indicate nila slow and the fast, maybe. So, ako na siya, sige, pangitaon na to na class ha, why it's slow. Example of slow reaction is we have our rusting. Rusting of our metals. Di ba mag-rust when it is exposed in the air, the iron there will be oxidized and then it will form rust. So that reaction is very slow. Kay dili dahil na to siya makita, di ba? Pila pa ka years usa siya mahitabo. So one is an example of slow step reaction. So this one, this is slow. This is slow because it needs someone na very fast, para mo pull sa iyaha for the reaction to proceed. Even if kanig hapon atong determining step. So Lana, this is slow. I-indicate man na nila class is it's a slow reaction. And this one is a fast reaction. Maybe it's because of the reactivity also. Na kaning reaction is less reactive than this one is more reactive. So that's why it's fast. Okay, so that's it. So ano siya class, this one is the slow step and this one is your fast step. Okay, so we after that one. So this is your test tube flask A. Let's go back na. Let's go back to test tube A. Then after that one, let's go to Erlenmeyer flask.
B.
What? B.
B.
No? B.
B.
Okay, B. All right. Now we have also a table here. Nice kay siya nga software class jud, as in. We have okay, ato siya ansiran sa class. We have 6 ml, no? Of KI.
Yes, ma'am. 6.
Then, okay. So what is the asa man gikan ning 0.16 no? Unta nagsulat ana.
Murag
Automatic
ano,
na siya, ma'am.
Dito na siyang
Yeah, ma'am.
kuwan, ma'am.
Oh, gyud sa
Value ni
Automatic siya mo compute, ma'am.
gyud sa niya pag-compute.
murag 1 divided by sa kuan sa gi-divide siya sa quantity sa kuan
Oh.
sa potassium iodide niya
Potassium
solution.
iodide.
Okay, that one, yes. 1 over volume of Ki. So 1 divided by 6 using your calculator, that's 0.16. Okay, after that one, magsuot ko. So the time is 3 and the second 3 minutes, no? 3, then seconds is 43.
43.
Okay. So that's it. Na siya, no? Time of appearance of the blue color. Okay. So that one. Now let's go to flask B. Okay. Flask B. Some ball pen. Okay, flask B. Okay, we have flask B and then we are asked, okay, procedure 1, please read. Please read the Rabbe. Let's go to flask 2. Procedure B. Procedure 1. Rabe. Wala si Rabe. Sarweda. Sarweda, please
Ma'am,
read.
wait.
Oh, wait sa. Inigbalik mo gud nako kanang kuan ko mo white today siya. Okay, Sarweda na si Sarweda no. Okay. Next time class i-download na nilang ninyo class para di na ta magbalhin-balhin. Sige na tagka white screen. Okay. Anyways, okay. So we have Sarweda.
Ma'am.
Okay. Let's go to, we are done with, ano na, flask A ha. We are done with this. Now let's go to flask B. Procedure 1. Take. Uy, walay kurinti. Okay, sige be. We have sumagay, say. Wala lagi si Kuan. Okay, then we have Ratilia. Okay, procedure 1, Ratilia. Paglinawan.
Wala na, ma'am.
Ay, nag-X na siya.
Para siya, ma'am. Nabalhin na siya ko kaning nursing.
Ay, okay. So, bali na ko na siya default. Okay, then we have, tagbo. Okay, tagbo. Chapter, procedure 1.
Kaning nasa screen, ma'am.
Oh, procedure 1.
Take for 250 ml flask and label them as A, B, C, and D.
Okay, so that's procedure 1. But actually, we are in procedure, ano, Jud? Sa letter B na tanong, so you will read that one as take 250 ml of conical flask, then label as B. Okay, so letter B na ta. Let's go. Now we have our conical flask. Okay, procedure 2. Let's move on to procedure 2. Sige, we have Nieva. Nieva. Okay, Tilos. Ay, ayan, Lisayaw. Lisayaw, test procedure 2.
Ma'am.
Procedure 2, you read.
Procedure number. Add 5 molecules. Ma'am, di na ako mamabasa, ma'am.
Add 5.
Di maklaro, ma'am.
Di ba, okay, we have Quahotor. 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 Procedure 2. Karang. Sige. Add
10 ml of 0.1 molar potassium iodine solution to the flask B and respectively record the data in table 1.
Perfect. Okay. Thank you for not reading A, B, C, and D. Okay, good. So, we have add pila to?
5 ml.
10
10,
ml.
10, 10, 10.
And then
Okay, so let's 10 ml. So we have our KI here. Now let's adjust our slider.
So 12 na po na, ma'am.
Dili na ara gyud siya na may 10.
10. Okay, night 10. So we have 10. 10 or na to. We
Ah,
have that one. Okay, let's add. Put it in our cylinder. Then we pour it in our flask. Procedure 3. Okay, procedure 3, Sibalios. Sibalos. Jumil. Kailan na lang ko mo active kayo sa Facebook. Sige, Sibalos.
Sakpan.
Ay,
Apatay, Jumel.
patay. Patay ka, boy. Good morning.
Signal. Mo jud ang problema niya ay.
Sige, sige. Mao gyud na class. Istorya jud mo nga, ma'am, record. Okay, so we have Kalipay. Procedure 3, Kalipay.
Good morning, ma'am.
add 10 ml sani kay maklaro ma'am blurred man pod.
Padayon gyud po sa
Sige.
dumi.
Ma'am, kanang so. Jumel.
Sige, stop na, Jumel. Nakipilit.
Kanang, madayon mo. Di na ko.
Okay, we have number 3. Sige. Kalipay. Kalipay.
Yes, ma'am. Add 10 ml of 2.5 mole. Sani?
Molar.
Molar of sani?
Sulfuric
Sana
acid.
tawag nakalimod ko, ma'am.
Sulfuric acid.
Sulfuric
Sulfuric
acid
acid.
to 8 flask.
Okay, so let's add 10 ml of sulfuric acid. So we have this one. Okay, this is our sulfuric acid. Next case siya, arrange na siya. Okay, so let's add that one. Okay, let's measure 10 ml. Okay, 10 ml class. Then, let's pour it in our flask. Okay, then let's write it. Nakalimot na po tagsulat. Pila gato itong KI gibutang class?
10.
10.
ml.
10. Okay, then about sulfuric acid?
10 ml.
10.
ml po.
10 ml.
Okay, now pila naman ang volume sa ato ang
80.
okay. Here, inside our flask, pila na ang
80
volume sa solution? We have 80 na.
80.
Ay, 20 na.
20 ml.
20. Then to make it 100,
80
80,
ml.
okay, let's
Isang
add
bote.
20,
80.
ma'am.
Water.
80 ml of water. Okay. All right, let's pour that one. Okay, class, din na ta magsigba sa procedure. Time na. Okay, we have that one. After that one, class, say sunod. Okay, procedure 4, de balik. Then we have procedure 5. Okay, let's write sa
5 ml starch.
80
Starch.
ml, no? 80 ml of water.
Yes, ma'am.
Then, what about the starch?
5 ml.
5.
Procedure 5 na to, no? Add 5 ml. Okay, let's write with 5 ml. Then we have
Thiosulfate.
starch. Wapat na kabutang starch. Okay, 5 ml. All right. Then after that one, we will add.
10
Okay.
ml.
Procedure 7. Procedure 6. 6. We have Paragas. Procedure 6.
Wait lang, ma'am. 6, ma'am. Alo, wala mo ko ka-download sa kuan, ma'am. White screen pa sab.
Okay, sige. Palahang. Jerome, procedure 6. Sige, nahiyan.
Procedure 6 is to add 10 ml of 0.05 molar sodium thiosulfate solution to the flask B.
Okay, so let's add 0.05 molar. Then how many ml?
5.
10.
5.
10.
10 di ay.
Okay, 10. Sige. All right, now let's add that one. All right, done. Then let's write. We have 10. Okay. Then, after that one, procedure 7, we have pantalan.
Ang mic.
Kayos. Okay, you
Ma'am, sa
read?
procedure 7, ma'am.
Yes.
Add 5 ml of 3% H2, then O2 solution of flask and start the stopwatch in immediately.
Okay, flask B na ta. Okay, unsa ba sa ani chemical name?
Hydrogen
peroxide.
peroxide.
Hydrogen peroxide. Now let's add. Okay. Then, ta-dang. All right, now let's stir. Okay, so the timer starts already. Okay, then let's wait up until the blue color will appear. Okay, then let's write in our pila tong H2O2 gibutan na to, class?
5.
5.
5, ma'am. 5 ml.
5 ml. Okay, all right, that's the time. Now also, more na table na sa inyong class question dito.
Apay isa.
Na ay
Usang
table
isa ka
2, ma'am.
table.
Ang table 2, ma'am, kay pareha sa katong table na sa lab experiment katong sa ubos.
Okay. Ito yung copy. Ito na siya ibutang sa Excel. Dito, magbuhat sa Excel gapon. Sa tong sheet. Ay, nara! Okay, so nag-time. Hala, dili man day na. Mag-stop man day yung time. Basta balhin ta. Okay, that's it. Now, after that one, okay. So, I will take a photo sa inyong groupmate. Group of 3. So, mana na inyong groupings every laboratory. Isa lang ang magpasa.
Si ma'am.
Okay. Ibutang na ko sa kuan ha while waiting sa atong blue color.
3 persons, ma'am, no?
Oh, 3 persons. Uy, na naman din nag-answer diri si Jero. Goy!
Asa i-pass, ma'am?
Sa to ang classroom. Magbuhat ko dito og kanang kuan ha.
Attachment? Wala pa ka nakabuhat, ma'am. Okay.
Ay, balik day.
Unsa ni nga groupings ma'am karon ni nga activity?
Forever na ninyo na class sa tanang laboratory.
Ma'am, murag naka-group naman ni ma'am.
Okay. So, kanin
Basin mag-factor gyapon na siya sa location ba? Ma'am pod online ra man.
online naman class. Okay. Oh, natin kuan. So, it's pila man class? 2 minutes and 18 seconds. Okay, let's write it. 2 minutes and pila to?
18 seconds, ma'am.
18.
Okay, so take note of that. Then also we have here the table 2. Okay, you're right. It's pila to una 6 ml.
6 ml then
So when you write, kabalo,
0.16 na lang.
yes. Excel class is ano siya, very nice to gamiton because no need na ang calculator, just dapat kabalo lang mo gamit formula. So when we do that, kung di na ka magamit og calcu, you put equals, kita ra, gamay kayo.
Ma-zoom raman
Or
siya,
siya
ma'am. Okay
negative.
raman.
Pero
Okay,
okay
so
naman, ma-zoom man yan.
equals, then you put unsa ang kani, you put the cell. So pisliton to ninyong cell sa inyong 6 because mo man ni over, ay di man the over, lagi divide man. Since it's divide, so we will use slash na sa inyong keyboard, and then over, ay dili man, it's 1 because 1, we put 1 over
6.
atong, okay, over 6. So
6.
itong pislito na tong cell na cell C93. Okay, then enter. Okay, so that's it. Then to para masuno imong formula, you drag. Okay, so that's it. Mao na ang kanato na sa tong laboratory na siya infinity kay wala pa nabutang ang iyang values. Okay, that time pila to sa atong second laboratory is we have 10 ml. Okay. All right. So na siya ni gawas na yun. All right. Okay, for that time in minutes we have 3. We have 2 naka-follow pa class.
Yes, ma'am.
Then
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
43
we
tapos
have
18.
18.
then equals. Pila man ni ato pa ni ikuan in minutes,
2
no?
to 3.
Mag-formula ta diri class equals this one. So parenthesis ha. This one, then times, for the times that is asterisk in your in your keyboard, times 60. Then parenthesis plus is shift, then plus sa inyong keyboard 43. Plus shift, let's click the cell 43, enter. Okay, that's it. And then to follow that one, i-drag ra nimo para mahimo ra yung formula. Okay, so that's it. So okay, you learn na lang pud ana class ha, kay mar paspas ra kay itong pagkuan diari. Okay, so let's go to ano na, flask C. 11 tatama no. Okay, flask C. Okay, reset then reset. Okay, now let's have flask C. For our flask C, we are going to add pila ka ml?
15, ma'am.
60.
Pero
Murag wala na.
walay
15.
walay 15 man.
Murag 16 right pwede, ma'am.
16.
Okay, so ato i-adjust. Okay, so in a laboratory, fixable ka dapat. Anyways, unsay mo results sa laboratory, di naman kinahanglan ma-outro. So, mawala po na yung report. Okay. So, we have that one, 15. Okay.
Ay, siguro, kanang kuan ra tanan walay even numbers lang tanan ng diya.
Walay even ra ta walay add.
Walay add. Okay, so, ano lang, 14. 14, let's add 14. 14 ki. Okay, let's drag. Then let's pour. Okay, so take note class, when you do your lab report, take note of the verbs. Okay, verbs. Nagdaanan mo sa higher laboratory like analytical, so I will require you to make lab report should now you're the one to make the procedure. Okay, after that one, what's the next procedure?
Add 15 ml of 0.1 molar potassium iodine solution to the flask C, respectively.
Okay, we're done with that. Procedure 3.
Add
Sedenyo.
Walay kurente sila ha, ma'am. Na.
Okay. So, walay kuryente. Okay. Ito, sige kawala. Okay, we have angkog. Okay,
Sige, ma'am.
angkog, procedure 3.
Okay, ma'am. So, add 10 ml of 2.5 molar hydrogen thiosulfate
Sulfuric
Sulfuric
acid.
acid.
and sulfuric acid to each flask. Patay.
Okay, so let's add 10 ml. 10 ml sulfuric acid. Okay, that one. All right. Diyos ko, ako ni si Nicole. What charge? Okay, after that one class, procedure 4. Okay, now wait sound magsulat sa ta. Okay, we have here in flask C, how many ml of KI?
15
40.
ml.
14.
15 lang de, 40.
14, ma'am.
14. Then potassium sulfuric acid
10.
10. Then
10 ml, ma'am.
water. Pila to water i-add? To make it
76
100.
ml, ma'am.
76. Sakto, class? Okay.
24.
Ay, 14 ang gamiton, ma'am. Dili 16.
14 ang
14. Kaya
gamit,
kung
class.
14, 76 ml.
Okay. 14. Nagtanaw mo to 14 na itong butang.
76.
Okay, so let's add 76 ml water. Okay, so let's measure. Okay, and then let's add water. And then after that, we will add starch. Okay, procedure 5. We have Robias.
Add 5 ml of starch solution to each
Flask. 5 ml. Okay, let's add 5 ml. Okay. All right, 5 ml starch. Okay, then let's pour. Okay, then procedure 6, we have Ongkol, Monet. Ay, Monet?
Sa ma'am.
Ha?
So add 10 ml of 0.05 molar sodium thiosulfate solution to each flask.
Okay. Now, ay, tigun sa man mo si Monet.
Mama, ma'am.
Oh, I see. Okay. So we have thiosulfate class. Take note of that class because in chemistry na po siya mga names. So we have sulfite is different from sulfate. Okay. So we have that one. After that one, we will add 10 ml. Sodium thiosulfite. So we have 10. Okay, let's add 10. Then we will pour. After that one, procedure 7. Okay. Procedure 7, consolation. Dikito. Dahirok. Emma. Okay.
Wait, ma'am. Okay.
Kanding be.
Number 7. Add 5 ml of 3% hydrogen.
Hydroperoxide.
Hydrogen peroxide.
Hydrogen peroxide solution to flask A.
A, padeta.
C.
C is stopwatch immediately.
Okay, 5 ml. Now let's write 5 ml. Okay, so let's pour 5 ml. Okay, yes, dear, and then that's it. Okay, so we are done. Let's wait for the blue color to appear. While waiting, let's answer this table here. Pero same raman ni siya dito. Ako lang gusto. At para lang makita nato. Pila ga itong KI sa tong flask B class?
10,
10.
ma'am. 10.
10, ma'am. 10.
Pila to ka minutes?
2 minutes and 18
2
seconds.
and 18 seconds.
10 seconds.
Pila?
18.
18. Okay. Alright. So, ano siya?
14.
14. And the time, wala pa. Okay. So you have there. Sige, no problem with your group, groupings. Na sa group nga ni kuana ni drop wala.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Naa, ma'am. Sa amua.
Kinsa
Ma'am,
group?
Ma'am, sa
Group.
ba nga imong gisend karon ma'am, mao na jud ni kaning
Oo. That's ano siya forever class.
Ma'am, wala na ba ng
Pagpabitay ko,
kulina,
no?
ma'am?
Ma'am, nakabuhat man may grupo tong last, ma'am, tong Viper.
Lagi, ma'am, nakabuhat
Sige na lang,
namin.
ayun na lang, bago na lang pod.
At sunod na lang ni
Ma'am,
ma'am.
wala na ba ng kulina, ma'am? Kanang sa konsolasyon nga group, ma'am.
Colina,
Ilang
wala
taon
na,
ako sa
sige,
GC, ma'am.
isa na kami.
ma'am kaning sa
Kinsa
katong
Kinsa pa nga group ang wala. Okay, we have kuana.
Group 9, ma'am.
Si
Kinsa pa
Lantaya
nga
po,
group?
ma'am. Nag-drop na, ma'am.
Lantaya. Ano man yung nag-drop man sila close. Daghan na lagi ng drop. Okay, let's take note sa time. 1:42. Let's write. Okay. 1 minute and 42 seconds. Okay. So, ibutang natin siya diri sa atong Picas table. Pila to tong KI sa flask C? We have
14, ma'am. 14.
14 and the time is 1 and then
42 seconds.
42. Okay, we have 42 seconds. So, all right. So, that's it. Okay, now, butangan pa natin yung isa diri class. 1 in 42. Okay, so let's do na ta flask D na ta class. No question with flask C na. Okay, flask D. Procedure 1, we have Olarte. Olarte. Wala si Olarte. Okay, we have Lisayaw.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Number 2.
Procedure 1.
Take 450 ml conical flask and label them as A, B, C, and D.
Okay, so take 1 na lang. Take 1 to 50 ml of conical flask and label it as C. As D. D naman dito, D. Okay, procedure 2 again. Lisayaw, please read. Procedure 2. Add
5 ml, 10 ml, 15 ml, 20 ml of 0.1 m potassium iodide KI solution to tapos A, B, C, and D respectively.
Okay, so okay, you adjust Lisaya. Humana naman ta ni 5 ml. Okay. Humana po ta sa atong 10 ml. So, dili na ta sa 20 ml. Add 20 ml. Okay, again, Lisaya, procedure 2.
Ma'am,
Procedure 2, basa again.
add 20 ml of 0.1 m potassium iodine and Ki solution to the flask D respectively. Record the data in table.
Okay, so we have 0.1 molar potassium iodide. Okay, thank you. So let's add pila to 20 ml. Okay, we have 20 ml. All right. So let's add then procedure 3. We have kering. Kering.
Caring.
Procedure 3.
On 10 ml.
Okay, we have Rabanes.
Procedure 3, ma'am.
Yes.
Add 10 ml of 2.5 molar sa ini H
Sulfuric acid.
Sulfuric acid.
2.5 molar sulfuric acid to each flask.
Okay, so let's add 10 ml. Okay, so let's add. Let's pour it, measure using our cylinder. Then let's pour it in our graduated our Erlenmeyer flask. Now, procedure 4, we have Ratilia.
To make the volume of the solution 100 ml in each flask, add water to them.
Okay, so to make it 100 ml, so pila naman na ito nabutang sa flask class?
30.
30 na. We have
Yes,
20,
ma'am.
no? 20 plus 10. Okay, so how
70.
So we will add
70.
70 ml of water. Okay, so then we pour. Okay. Then after that, we will add.
5 ml.
Okay, we have Sarabia. Procedure 5.
Wait, ma'am. So, add 5 ml of start solution to each flask.
5 ml solution starch. Okay, 5 ml. Okay, 5 ml. All right, then let's pour. Okay, but after that class, before that, okay, magtali sa ta class. We have how many ml sa itong KI sa flask D?
20.
Dili mo musuon ani class ha, ug namo sa lab, magpermigin mo maglista dayon. We have H2SO4. Pila to?
10.
Then
70.
water 70.
70.
Then start.
5.
Then
Still.
sodium.
10. 10 gihapon, ma'am.
Then start. Ay, hydrogen
5.
peroxide.
5.
Okay, then what about that time? Okay, time na. So, wala pa tayo kuan. Asa na ta class procedure? Unsa to last nimo gibasa nga procedure kuan?
6 na, ma'am. 6 procedure.
6 na ta, ma'am.
Okay, procedure 6. Alright. Okay. Then, procedure 7. We have, sorry, the mending.
Okay, procedure number 7. Add 5 ml of 3% hydrogen peroxide solution, flask D, and start the stopwatch immediately.
Okay, so that's it. We will add hydrogen peroxide, pour, and then stir. Okay. Then the time starts now. So, what about procedure 8 and 9, Balatero? Okay, please read, Balatero. Okay, si Aso, Baby Jane. 8 and 9.
Stir the mixture using a glass rod and wait for the blue color to appear. 9. Note the time when the blue color just appears.
Okay, all right. Now let's done with that. Okay, so timer starts now. Okay, so again, so balik ta. While waiting for our solution. So we have kinsa pa laing group na walay kaning kuan kulangan kay nig-drop ang isa.
Kami, ma'am, group 9.
Okay,
Ma'am, kaning kuan ma'am no, kaning karon nga experiment na to, silbi magkauban namin sa katong nga assign karon.
Oh, sugod karon. Then we have kinsa pa group 7 kulangan og isa. Napay kinsa pa?
I think Maura.
Maura. Okay. Okay, si Kuan. Si Consolation, dili ni Kuan group 9.
Consolation, kung si Mission, kauban ta.
Then si Kwahutor. Okay, sa group 1. Okay na? Kwahutor, so nakuan siya. Okay. So na-dissolve ang group 7. Okay. Then, ano na lang din ha? Forward ta. So, ang groups 8, mahimong group 7, group 9, mahimong group 8, group 10, mahimong group 9. Forward. Group 11, mahimong group 10. Group 12, mahimong group 11. Group 13, mahimong group 12. Group 14, mahimong 13. 15, mahimong 14. 16, mahimong group 15. Then, group 17, mahimong group 16. Then, group 18, mahimong group
Respectively.
17. Okay, so, inana. So, only group 1 has 4. We have Alayay, Alia, and Alo, and then Kwahutur. Okay, so, now, let's take note of the time. We have 1 minute and 14. Okay, 1 minute and 14 seconds. Okay, after that one class, so pila to atong flask D, we have KI
20.
20 ml.
and then we have that time 1 minute and then 14. Oh.
COVID naman na.
Okay, so alright. Magsulat po tayo di class sa table here. We have 20, no? We have 20, 1 minute and 18. $14 na day class. 14 na ni. Okay, so that's it. So this is our data. Now we are asked here in our virtual laboratory. Easy na kay siya. Okay, we can save. And then we can add a chart. Click here if you want a chart. Follow.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, the chart. Okay, here is your chart.
102.
We have the x-axis is your 1 over the volume of your Ki, and then for your y-axis, we have the time for the appearance of blue colors in seconds. Okay, as you can see, it's ano, it's a linear, it's a line. Okay, it's a line. Okay, so come on, explain na further in your activity. And then class, but I want you, na dili ta diri maghuwag chart. Dito sa Excel. Okay. So to do that, to have our chart, to have a chart, okay, let's highlight your KI. Let's highlight KI. And then control, highlight this one also. Then after that, you insert, follow, insert a chart. Naman na sa inyong laptop. Okay, but the chart is, let's change the chart setup. Okay. Wait. Balik sa ta. And, okay. Insert chart. Diretso lagi ni. Okay. Then we have, all right, diri na to a chart type. Line. We will choose line chart. Okay. Scatter. Why scatter? Ay. Oh no. Wait sa class ha. Ay, tarungan sa natin eh. Isa na ko i-accept.
How that affects reaction like blue color. Want to return for appearance of blue color.
Hi! Na-stress ko.
Ma'am, pwede kana na lang na chart, ma'am?
O sige ha, pero mag-video. Dapat makabalo pa mo sa Excel. Na nag-listen man nun ko ano eh. Wait sa. We have this one. Hindi na ako maikuha ng chart. O sige ha, kanina lang sa na-chart itong kuwan. I'll give you ano na. Ba ako na yung screenshot. Kaniya to ang chart here. Then you use this one na. Snipping, no? We use this
Okay,
one.
ma'am.
Okay.
Pero sulayan, itry na mo, ma'am, kung makaya, kato na lang, ma'am, dito sa sheet.
Yes, kato sa sheet.
Okay, ma'am.
Sheet. Dito sa sheet ha. Mag-try po ko. Okay. Well, that's it. So, okay. Then you answered na din, class. I'll give you the chart. Open. Ako siya i-screenshot. Ibutan ako sa Facebook. And then you answer your kung ano da yun, activity. So, we're just on time. Wa pa ta nag-time. 11 shot. Yay. So, Friday, again, I will post another activity for Friday. And then, for our lecture, sige, mag-video ko. Then, ako ihatag dira. Then, okay, so mo to. Then, for exam dayon ta. But Friday, laboratory again. Okay ra?
Yes,
Excuse me,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Mm-mm.
Kaning na-group, ma'am, wala na tong by pair, ma'am.
Dili na to sa atong by pair class kay gamay na kayong by pair. Sige, we have
So,
kanina group
Di mao
3
na ni ma'am.
by threes na, then forever na ninyo ni group mate.
Forever. Ma'am.
Forever ni
Magbulag
Jud.
gyapon mamoy.
Wala may
Forever,
So,
ma'am.
take note of that chart, ha? But you try, ha? Katunay mga Excel, makakuan sa Excel, you try.
Yes, ma'am.
You try na using Excel ta magbuhat og kuan.
Okay, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Di ba, ma'am, kaning para siya sa laptop niya. Sa mo po, ma'am, kay walay laptop. Sana mo pagkuhan sa kuan, ma'am, lab.
Ang uban, unsa ang imong unsa Adrian?
Wala day
Di ba,
laptop
ma'am,
ng uban ba, ma'am?
Oh, don't worry, kay ako ra mo po siyang gikuan. Inani naman atong buhaton nga we will do it simultaneously, then kamo na lang din ang pag-answer lang dayon ninyo mo ay by group.
Sa questions
So,
lang
inani
mo
gihapon
answeran ani, ma'am.
all questions in the tables, you answer also.
Then kaning activity 1, ma'am, magbuhat na kag G-class.
Oh, dito sa laboratory, dito ninyo ipasa ha. Isara mo mo pasa. Example, in group 1, ang mo pasa. Sa inyo napili, which si
Ma'am,
Alaya ay, so siya
100
magpass.
Katong nga
Isulat
group
lang ninyo tanang
activity
pangalan.
1.
Asa ipas,
Ha?
ma'am?
Sa Google Classroom.
Kani
Yes.
nga activity 1, ma'am, kato na ning by 3.
Oh,
Yes.
by 3.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, magkabalit sa tong exam, ma'am, no? Isang equilibrium lang.
Oh, equilibrium lang.
Okay, ma'am. Salamat.
Yes.
wala kuan, ma'am.
Nagtuon na
Date,
mo.
ma'am. Unsa na date, ma'am, ang exam?
Date, Thursday.
Next week, ma'am.
Ano man?
Next week ang exam,
Next week, Thursday.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thursday, ma'am?
Oo.
Pero mag-review ka na.
Wednesday.
Ay,
Pero
Wednesday.
mag-review ka na mo sa kan, ma'am. Monday.
Ha?
Mag-review
Yes?
ka na.
Mag-review pa, ma'am.
Oh, review. Yes, mag-review po.
Ano sa ka mag-review, ma'am? Monday?
Monday.
Okay, ma'am.
So, naghano din, no? So, mag-video ko, and then, kita na ninyo.
Excuse me,
Kung
ma'am.
record sa last meeting, ma'am.
Recording lagi, no? Ato, daghan kay nangayo kay Kuorn. Wala may good to internet diri good. Ipas ako na to si upload.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Oh.
Kung dili makaya dire, pwede ra dito sa kuan, ma'am, sa Excel.
Oh, pwede na kayo. Ganahan Excel gali akong ganahan.
Medyo maglibog ko diri sa sheet, ma'am.
Sheet.
Shit.
Libo ka sa chat?
Sorry.
It's okay. Sige.
Sorry, God.
Oh, lagi okay ra mo good. Okay. Okay, so question pa class.
Ma'am, magklase ka Friday, ma'am.
Oh, magklase ta Friday laboratory.
Ma'am, basta isa ray mag-attach, no? Sa kuan.
Isa ray mag-attach. Then, isulat ninyo tanang pangalan ninyo ha, dito sa names.
Ma'am, mangutana lang ko, ma'am. Unsa isulat man sa katong lab number o lab, unsa to? Lab course?
Lab number 1.
Ma'am.
Then, ang lab course, inorganic.
Inorganic 101.
Chemistry.
In org. Oo.
Lahi man, ma'am, ang lab course, lahi po ang course. So, kining lab course in organic 101 din kining course kay BSED Science.
Oh, BS Ed Science 1.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Oo.
Puro chemistry ang classroom nimo.
Okay, so unsa pa question pa class?
Ma'am, ang coverage sa exam, ma'am, kay chapter 17 ra.
Oh, chapter 17. Okay, but wala pa bita na naman sa chapter 17 class. Napatay magtako pa ta. Pila pa ta ka
Yes,
slide
ma'am.
ato?
Daghan pa to, ma'am.
Maapil ba
Napit
tong ma'am? Le Chatelier? To?
Yes, maabot na tong Le Chateliers.
Le Chatelier.
Le Chatelier principal.
Yes, mabtan gitong
Mag-video
ulit sa
ko ha,
atelier.
mag-video din. Ano din ta? Dito ra tatama sa Chateliers. Daan naman ni dito sa ako
Okay,
ano
ma'am.
sa akong kuan sa G-class niya tong kuan. Okay. So, any questions, class? Thank you so much for attending our lesson. So, for now, inanina jud ato ang laboratory. But thanks
Yes,
to
ma'am.
Amrita na jud tay laboratory ang uban dili pa kakuan. Okay, so
Thank you
that's
po, ma'am.
all
Kay
for
okay, okay.
today. Uy, naka-share screen. Okay. So, thank you so much. So, I guess learns here. Kung naa, magpaila sila. Interns. Check na ko ha. If naa o wala, wala sa babay. Okay. So, class, more to. Okay. So, if you have problems, class ha, ano lang, if you have difficulties in answering, ka na ask lang. Okay, ma-answer or mapod ko. Okay, we have we have interns here. Okay. So, paila sa ta, we have Bin Laden. Open cam.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Okay.
So my name is Binladin Diwa. An intern here at JHCC. So, thank you.
Uh,
Tigunsa ni mo nahiyan.
Family, basta family.
Ay, okay.
Ay.
So, igagaw sila. Igagaw diwa. Okay, so we have another. We have Mary Grace.
Okay, hello, ma'am. Good afternoon, good afternoon, everyone. Good morning, good morning, everyone. I am Mary Grace Gidayama, fourth-year college here in JHCSC Maine from Bulawan, Central, Sambong del Sur, and I am taking up Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Science. Thank you.
Okay. Yes, so siya si Mary Grace. Okay. So they are ano class? They are your seniors. So they're fourth year, and then since di sila kasulod sa DepEd, so they used to join our classes. Actually, they are four, but duha sila karon. But next week, so isa na lang should ni siya. May mag-atang sa ato ah. Okay, so thank you so much everyone. Thank you for attending. Nakalas-kalas na tag-load. Kalas kayo load. Bye-bye. Thank you.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you po,
See you on
ma'am.
Friday for
Bye, ma'am.
equilibrium.
Ay,
Bye, ma'am.
pictorial pa,
Bye,
pictorial.
ma'am.
Tutorial daw.
Tutorial, ma'am. Sige, ma'am.
Nawaligo.
Ay, na lang, ma'am. Ay, nang list ng uban.
Ay na
Ako'y
lang, ma'am.
ligo, eh. Ay na lang, ma'am.
Wala
Pat,
mo dahil ko,
sunod na
wala mo
lang.
dahil ko katulog, ma'am.
Wow! Sana all dasig.
Wala ko katulog, wala ko kaligo.
Pukwiligo. Bye-bye na. Thank you so much. See you on
Bye,
Friday.
ma'am.
Thank you.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.